friends. I'm going to be doing a Dutch pour today, but first I wanted to show you the dried and varnished results of one of the last pours I did. When I ended the video, I think I wasn't sure how I felt about it, but I got to tell you, I love it now. I think it's a fascinating piece, so many interesting bits and pieces of it, and the colors, even the pink worked out. The bronze dried beautifully, the whole thing. I'm very happy with it. I'm calling it Cosmic Currents, and I've just put it on my website. And I want to remind you, for the month of August, I'm offering free shipping on any purchase off there. I don't have a way to put free shipping on there, so you just need to pay what it asks for, and then I will reimburse the shipping cost. Taxes are included, and yeah, so if you're interested, check it out at CHRISTINEJ.com. All right, now today's Dutch pour is going to be on this 14 by 14 inch canvas, and my base coat, I scraped together all the paint that was left over from those two little flip cups I did on my last video, mixed them all together, added some white, and came up with this minty green color. So I decided to go and make a very summery looking painting, and I'm using these inexpensive paints, Craft Smart, in yellow, bright yellow, orange. This is Golden Hour by Arteza. Threw in some white, purple, and island blue. So, kind of different. And I think it could be quite pretty. We shall see. So, bless you. Did you hear my neighbor sneeze? My window's open and I heard them from inside their house. Wow. Okay. Here we go. Might have to fish out some chunks. I hope this is enough for this canvas. I think it is. But I will scrape it all out. Oh, look at that. That's been sitting in there a few days. All right. That's pretty lumpy. I see a lot of lumps. I may have to pause here to fish all those out. You don't need to watch me do that. First I'll spread it around. I'll do this part off camera. I'll be back in a flash. All right. I think I pulled out all the offending chunks that were in there, and now let's get to this. This is kind of a small canvas. I wouldn't do anything smaller than this for a Dutch pour, but I think this size should be okay. Kind of a Y-shaped layout. And I have plenty of paint. Maybe I'll have plenty of paint left for something else. Gold. White, just to have a really nice light value. Maybe get a little lacing out of it. violet for contrast. And blue. What did they call this? Island blue, I think. Yeah, it's very pretty. Alrighty. My handy dandy little flower dryer here. And here we go. Well, well. I think I'd rather like it. I got a little muddy here and there. Some of the colors mixed, but I'm not terribly bothered by any of it. I wonder if I want to. I don't like dragging my finger through. Not because I don't like getting paint on my hands, but it's just not my thing. A lot of people do that, and I don't always like the way it looks. Or I just don't like to do what everyone does. However, I feel it needs it here. Let's just try it. In for a penny, in for a pound. Maybe I should use a palette knife. I don't know if it'll create a wide enough swath. Yeah, it worked okay. Oh, I love that orange and yellow there. That's pretty. Yeah, I use the old finger. Just to break up some of those really large shapes. I'll probably be embellishing this with something. I don't know what. Butterfly. I've seen a lot of hummingbirds on Dutch pours lately, which are lovely, but I don't want to do again what everyone else is doing, so I'll probably come up with something else. And yeah, I think it's pretty pretty. What do you think? Let me come in and show you a closer look. Yellow and orange. Oh, that's pretty. That's a very happy looking painting. I'm pretty happy. I hope you like it too. And thank you for watching, my friends. One more right there. Thank you for watching. See you next time.